gadgets come to the market every day, but what gadgets can suit a normal lifestyle and make your life easy? Where can you find such gadgets? You need not go anywhere because in this video you can find some amazing gadgets for you. Yes, we've done all the research, so you need not worry. The good news is that you can find links to all the products talked about in this video in the video description. Stay with us till the end of the video to find a perfect product for you. So let's get started. First up is a portable gas water heater. The Fogati InstaShower GoPro is the best compact shower for trips outside. It's small and runs on gas. It heats water in 8 seconds and gives you 3.5 liters per minute for showers, dishes, and other uses. Setting the temperature can be done, and it can go as high as 125 degrees Fahrenheit. There is built-in safety technology to make sure no one gets scalded or burned. The 5000 mAh portable battery gives it power for 80 minutes. You can charge it in your car, at a power station, or by plugging it into a wall outlet. The 12-watt pump keeps the water flow steady, and the shower head can be adjusted to 3 different spray settings. The InstaShower GoPro is great for camping, climbing, or giving off the grid because it is light, easy to use, and full of safety features. Number 2 is the GoPro Hero 13 Black Accessory Bundle. The Hero 13 Black is the best action camera for capturing the best times of your life. It gives you incredibly clear details and perfect images no matter what lens you use. It doesn't matter if the shot is close, wide, or at an odd angle. It all looks dramatic and proper. It's made to handle excitement-filled trips and make every splash, jump, and trail look perfect. Don't worry about taking blurry pictures or putting up things that are hard to understand. The Hero 13 Black is simple and quick to use. All you have to do is point and shoot. This camera will make sure that your memories are recorded in all their glory, whether you're hiking, biking, or looking for adventure. The Hero 13 Black does what it takes to make every moment look great. Number 3 is the VAULTEK Smart Station. The best modern home safe is here. It's sleek, safe, and full of tech. Its slim form makes it easy to place on nightstands or in RVs. It's more than just a safe, though, with a wireless charging pod, USB, USB-C ports, and an LED screen that shows time, temperature, and humidity. A biometric fingerprint scanner, a digital keypad, or the Nano Key 2.0, which is optional, can be used for quick entry. The drawer that opens itself can safely hold a gun up to 9 inches, jewelry, or small papers. With Bluetooth 2.0, you can change settings and keep an eye on what's going on from your phone. A security cable, anti-pry design, and tamper detection make this the safest thing you can buy. It has a backup battery and manual keys in case of an emergency. It is powered by an AC charger like never before. Style and safety come together. At number 4, the Endo-Hitch Trailer Ball Mount. The Endo-Hitch is the best way to improve your pulling. It makes your trip safer, quieter, and easier. Its wedge shim system cuts down on gaps, which makes it easier to handle and makes the ride smoother. The anti-rattle design keeps the hitch and receiver from vibrating in a way that makes noise so the ride is quiet. It has an anti-theft lock built in, so it can be locked quickly and safely. And the dustproof cover makes it last longer. Need it only sometimes? You don't need any tools to put or take off the hitch. It only takes less than 30 seconds. No more weird shin bumps. It is made of high-quality steel and has a tough powder-coated finish. It is built to last and meets or exceeds all safety standards. The Endo-Hitch lets you pull more quietly and safely. Number 5, the MODVEL back brace for lower back pain. If you have back pain right away, like from a damaged disc, sciatica, or sore muscles, the MODVEL back brace is the best thing you can use. It's made to support your lower back with a lumbar pad that can be adjusted to give you extra support, and vertical support stays that keeps your back stable. No more rolling or being in pain. It's easy to wear under clothes because the fabrics are breathable and the design is adjustable. It provides comfort without the bulk of standard braces. When you choose MODVEL, you get quality. It's made to last and will give your back the support and relief it needs. The MODVEL back brace will help you every step of the way until you can move easily again. Number 6, Soundcore AeroFit 2. Thanks to their air conduction technology and soft adjustable ear hooks, the AeroFit 2 open-ear headphones are the most comfortable headphones you can get. They're comfortable enough to wear all day, and they let you hear your favorite music while you're out and about. With their 20mm by 11.5mm racetrack drivers and bass turbo technology, you'll get high-res wireless audio with deep bass, clear mids, and bright highs. You can keep the beats going for up to 42 hours with the charging case, or 10 hours on a single charge. Plus, even in noisy places, their 4 beamforming microphones and AI algorithm ensure that talks are crystal clear. Number 7. AnkerWork S600 by Anker all-in-one speakerphone. This Bluetooth speaker will completely change the way you talk on the phone and in meetings. With Voice Radar 3.5 technology, it blocks out background noise, including up to 99% of sounds that aren't being targeted. With AI environmental noise reduction, it stops more than 300 different sounds so that you can always be heard clearly. It also has Qi2 15-watt wireless charging, which lets you charge your phone quickly without using lines. The 70-degree adjustable magnetic phone stand lets you make calls or watch videos without using your hands. This speaker has 360-degree quality sound and can play music for up to 16 hours, so you can enjoy great sound and ease of use all day. Number 8. The NeoRuler Digital Scale Ruler. NeoRuler is a flexible measuring tool that works great for builders, designers, engineers, and people who like to do their own projects. It has 93 built-in scales with units like feet, inches, millimeters, and kilometers, so it can be used for any job. Do you need a special scale? Not a problem. You can make unlimited custom scales in NeoRuler to fit your needs. The space divider tool quickly splits any distance into 2 to 12 equal parts, which saves you time from having to do the math. Plus, it pairs with the Miazor app via Bluetooth, making it easy to move and change your data and save them as CAD files. NeoRuler is a must-have tool for accurate, easy measuring on any job. Number 9 is the wireless charger for Magsafe. Get a better way to charge your devices with the 3-in-1 charger made for Apple products and more. You can charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, iPad, Android phones, and power banks all at once. It has extra USB-C and USB-A ports that let you charge at full speed whether you use them separately or together. It was made just for Magsafe and has a 35-watt GAN charger and N52 grade magnets for quick, safe charging up to 15 watts. The W7 Flip is great for home, business, or travel because it is very small and foldable. It's great for watching videos or movies while charging because the angle can be changed up to 180 degrees. Plus, being made of aluminum makes charging safe and efficient, keeping your devices safe and avoiding overheating. At number 10, Topo Mini by ErgoDriven. Topo Mini is the first anti-fatigue mat made just for standing desks. It provides superior relaxation in a smaller package. It makes you stand more and sit less because the way it's built encourages natural movement. The mat's design lets you do small and large moves, stretch, and even gives yourself a light massage, all without the distractions of treadmills or balance boards. Plus, you can move Topo Mini around very easily with just one foot. You can grab the back ramp with your heel or toe and pull it out from under your desk. When you're done, just slide it back in. It's the best way to make standing more natural and easy while also getting more done. Number 11. Airbank Mini Bike Pump Pocket SE. Are you fed up with flat tires and carrying around a heavy bike pump? The Airbank Pocket SE Mini Electric Bike Pump is very small and light, only 3.3 ounces, that's 93 grams, so it can fit in your pocket or backpack. It's great for road bikes, but not mountain bikes. And with a maximum pressure of 100 psi and a wind speed of 12 liters per minute, it quickly pumps up tires. Plus, a Type-C USB cable charges it quickly in just 20 minutes. Any rider can easily use it because it works with both Schrader and Presta valves. Forget about big pumps, just grab this small one and go. Great for quickly pumping up anytime, anyplace. It's light, quick to charge, and ready to go. Number 12. Cummins Onan Portable Inverter Generator. The Cummins Onan P4500i Inverter Portable Generator is the best way to get power at home or while you're traveling. It has a 7.3 HP 224cc OHV 4-stroke engine that can power tools, electronics, and machines well. A push-button start or a pull cord backup makes it easy to get going. It has the parallel capability for RVers, which lets you double your power to 50 amps. Additionally, the generator has two 5-volt USB ports for charging devices and a 30A TT30R outlet for use in a camper. It's small, durable, and has 4,500 watts of power, so it's ready for any job site, camping trip, or home backup need. The P4500i makes sure that you always have clean, steady power. Which product from the list excited you the most? Share with us in the comment section below. Don't forget to check the product link available for you in the video description. If you enjoyed watching the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.